Just when they found happily ever after,
I have a little surprise for you. Ta-da.
This is the land of opportunity. We can be whatever we want to be here.
their wicked past
Look who's on TV.
is calling them home.
That snooty little witch.
It turned her back on evil.
We should not be getting our leftovers.
Coming soon. Ordon
This is between Uma and me.
You're still gonna have to go through Harry Hook and his wharf rats.
versus the Isle.
Son of Hook, son of Gaston, and me, daughter of Ursula. When I get my chance to reign, I will take it.
It's
Are we ready? Yeah. I'm coming with you guys.
going
We ride with the tide!
down.
Hey guys, they're here!
Descendants 2, coming to Disney Channel.
And remember the name...
Shrimpy!